now let's hear how to make my favorite drink. This might take a while. So first, get a small cup. Like, give me a second. This big. Get your lemon juice that you used in the previous video. If you don't like sour, then don't. That's enough. A little too much. It's so good, I love it. My love for lemon juice is unbearable. Now get your citric acid and just sprinkle it in. Okay, I'm gonna pause it. A little more lemon juice, and there you have it. Just mix a little. Okay, you store it for a little while. Now let's try it.